Hello, today we will guide you through how to automate Gmail to Google Sheet in Zapier. In this walkthrough, we'll create a simple automation that watches Gmail for new messages and adds their details to a Google Sheet. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Zapier, you can access your Gmail and Google Drive accounts, and you have a Google Sheet ready with a clear header row. Consistent column names make mapping much easier later. Start on the Zapier homepage, select Create, then choose Zaps to start building. You'll see a trigger section at the top. Click into the trigger, type Gmail in the app search, and select Gmail. When Zapier asks you to choose an event, pick New Email. This event runs whenever a new message arrives in your mailbox. If you want to limit which messages trigger the zap, you can use options like labels or search terms inside this trigger's settings. That way, only the emails you care about will flow to your sheet. If prompted, connect your Gmail account and grant the requested permissions so Zapier can read new messages securely. Next, move down to the Action section. Search for and select Google Sheets as your action app. When asked to choose an event, select Create a new row. This tells Zapier to append information to the end of a specific worksheet. Connect your Google Sheets account if needed, then choose the drive, the spreadsheet, and the worksheet where you want new rows to appear. It's best if the sheet already has headers such as date, from, subject, and a short preview or body field, so the mapping is straightforward. Zapier will pull in a recent sample email from Gmail to help you map fields. Click into each Google Sheets field and insert the corresponding Gmail data. For example, map the email's received time to your date column, the sender to your from column, the subject to your subject column, and either the snippet or plain text body to your preview column. Keep the sheet simple. Avoid merged cells, hidden rows, or changing column names after you map them. That stability ensures each new email lands in the correct place. Take a moment to review your setup. The trigger should be Gmail with a new email event, and the action should be Google Sheets with Create a new row. With this in place, each new email that matches your trigger settings will appear as a fresh row in your chosen worksheet, giving you a live, organized log you can filter, chart, or share. That's it. Your Gmail to Google Sheets automation in Zapier is ready.